Howdy folks, and welcome to Meyer Outdoors. And on today's episode, I'm going to be doing some solo camping. The weather's finally cooled off, getting close to the end of September. You can definitely tell fall's on its way. It's going to be a perfect night. Lows down in maybe the upper 40s. Be a perfect night for camping. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we've got the tent set up. I like to set my tent up first, kind of let it air out a little bit, let it get some fresh air in there. Next step, we're going to collect some firewood and get a good fire going. Just wouldn't be camping without it. Alright, to get a little bit of natural tinder going here, got this big cedar tree. And it won't miss a few of these little strips here. Stuff's really dry. You can usually find natural tinder wherever you're at. You just gotta, it may be different in different places. Whatever you have at your disposal there, you need to utilize it. Like I said, when you're starting a fire, preparation's everything. If you watch a lot of our videos, a lot of our Meyer Outdoor videos, you're going to recognize this Altoids can from previous video. My fire starter kit. I'm actually going to put it to use today. Got that. The cedar I collected. I'm going to just kind of pull it apart a little bit, get those fibers separated just a little bit in my hand there. Make like a little nest. I do have a lighter, but I don't want to use it today. Instead, we're going to go with our steel and flint. A little piece of char cloth and put it in there. Now bear with me, this might take a little bit. think I have the fire going pretty good. to burn that little stuff up. It's going to give me enough time to process up some bigger stuff that will get me through the rest of the night. And when they get down in the 40s, probably need a good campfire to get me through the night. This is part of camping I often overlook, and that's just sitting back and enjoying things. Usually I keep myself too busy setting the tent up, getting the campfire going, fixing something for dinner, doing some kind of camp chore. Don't take the time to just sit back and enjoy it. So that's important. That's just as important, I think, as setting your tent up or getting your fire going. Taking the time to just enjoy nature, the peacefulness of it. You can call that your Hawkmeyer Outdoors pro tip of the day if you want. For dinner tonight, guys, keeping it really simple. Just going to fix up a couple ramen noodles with a chicken packet. Call it good. A little stove here. I'm going to let that water boil since that's spring water. I used to drink this water as a kid. I'm not really worried about it, but we'll let it come to a boil before we add our ingredients just to kill any bacteria that might be floating around in that. The menu tonight, we got the beef flavor that I found them for 10 cents a pack. Now I already kind of smashed them up a little bit. Like them in fine little particles. The chicken, I'll keep with that maybe that oriental theme. We got ginger soy. I think that ought to go pretty good with ramen. I hope you can see that. It got dark on me really quick. But I let it sit by the fire and just kind of let all that water soak up in those noodles. It's 3 a.m. I got up to put some more wood on the fire. Got it rolling again. And now we'll crawl back into bed, sleep a few more hours before I ever get up. It's going pretty good so far. Well, good morning, folks. Slept pretty good. Woke up, it was 45 degrees this morning. Up a few times throughout the night and put some wood on the fire. It was pretty good sleep all in all. I've had better spots, I've had worse. Now it's time to get up and get the day going. So we got the Folgers instant coffee today. Just me out here. I don't need to make a big pot of coffee. Before I break down camp, I'm going to finish this cup of coffee and I might make some breakfast as well. I'm just, again, getting back to that theme. I'm going to take my time. Got a real busy month planned ahead. We're getting ready for hunting season, and I'm going to pick up walnuts again, like you saw our video last year. So October is going to be a really busy month. I'm not sure when this video is we're going to put this video out, but we've got a really busy month ahead of us. And November will be just as busy hunting. So, hang in there with us. We're going to try to get as many videos as we can out, but between filming and then actually going hunting, I mean, it's going to keep us moving. So, should be some exciting stuff coming your way. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but instead of using a skillet and cooking my eggs over the open fire, I got some water boiling in my cup. I'm just going to crack a few eggs, put them right in that hot water, and then mix some grits in there as well. Hoping kind of like almost like an egg casserole type of situation when I'm done. So we'll see. This is completely experimental, so bear with me. Well, let's see how this turned out. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a porridge looking concoction here. I ended up adding the other 2 eggs, kind of thicken it up. I think next time I'd use a little less water, maybe use another packet of grits. It's not bad. Might take a couple times to tweak the recipe to get it just right, but not bad. Well, camp's all broke down. Thanks for watching. I'd like to have a few more camping videos coming up later this fall, so stay tuned. We'll catch you next time.